more functionality and greater flexibility in your digital restorations. Dental System 2018 contains access to an unlimited option to import multiple scans into any workflow for enhanced control and more creative freedom. Design photorealistic smiles for your dentist to help them gain greater patient case acceptance, grow their business and yours. Scan bites directly in the scanner for increased ease with the flexibility to interchange between Articulator Holder and transfer plate, depending on the case. Unlock automated placement and connection for optimal stability, minimal manual adjustments, and faster production. With the new virtual extraction tool, users can easily perform tooth extraction operations. Design bases and design teeth, mill or 3D print, or simply glue together for cost-effective digital denture production. With the patient-specific motion feature, you can now use the exact recorded, articulated motion of the patient's jaws to adapt designs for dynamic occlusion in Dental System. Acquire real-time color information of the prepared tooth with the stump shade functionality. And here are a few more of the many new features coming in Dental System 2018. Multi-die fixture, full denture scanning improvement, new transfer plates, improved margin line, bring to contact tool, stronger contact smoothing tool. New tools for scan adjustment. Dentures with face characteristics. Dentures with intraoral scans. Cost-efficient manufacturing. Custom manufactured teeth. Unbreakable dentures.